Hi, everyone! Welcome to today's lesson, where we will learn new English words and practice describing a beautiful picture of a farm. This picture is full of life, colors, and fun activities. Before we start, here's a question for you. What is this called? Let's discover the answer during the description. After the description, you can try to describe it yourself. Let's start. This is a picture of a cheerful and lively farm. It feels like the perfect day in the countryside, where the sun is shining brightly, the sky is a lovely shade of blue, and everything is full of happiness and energy. Let's explore every corner of this picture together. On the left side of the picture, there is a sparkling pond. The water looks so clear and fresh that you can almost feel its coolness. Ducks and geese are swimming gracefully in the pond, enjoying their time. One white duck is splashing in the water, creating small ripples that shine under the sunlight. On the grass near the pond, two people are having a relaxing picnic. The man is wearing a brown hat, and his face looks peaceful, as if he's enjoying every moment. He is carefully pouring a drink into a cup for the woman sitting next to him. The woman is wearing a patterned dress and sipping her drink slowly. They have a big basket full of delicious food beside them, which makes the picnic look even more perfect. Doesn't this look like the best picnic spot ever? Now let's move to the middle of the picture. Here, we see two children playing with an adorable black and white dog. The boy is sitting on the dog, laughing loudly. His joy is so infectious that you can almost hear his giggles just by looking at him. The girl, who is wearing a red dress, is standing next to the dog and gently patting its back. The dog is wagging its tail happily, showing how much it loves being with the children. The sun is shining on their faces, and they look so carefree and full of energy. This moment reminds us of the simple joys of life, playing, laughing, and spending time with our furry friends. The farmyard is buzzing with activity. On the right side of the picture, there is a big stone barn. It looks old but very strong, and it's filled with golden hay. Inside the barn, a man is standing on top of a huge pile of hay. He is working hard, probably stacking the hay higher to make space for more. Outside the barn, there is a friendly-looking woman pushing a wheelbarrow overflowing with hay. The hay looks so fresh that you can almost smell its earthy scent. Now, let's look at the horse. On its back, there is a young boy sitting proudly. He is wearing a light shirt and pants, and his face shows excitement and joy. The boy is holding on tightly to the horse's saddle, as if he feels like a real cowboy. The horse is steady and calm, making it the perfect ride for the boy. This moment shows the bond between people and animals on the farm and how children love to be a part of farm life. All around the yard, there are chickens and ducks walking freely. Some are pecking at the ground, searching for food, while others are clucking and flapping their wings. A big white goose is standing proudly near the children, as if it is the farm's guard. In the farmyard, there is a tall man standing near the horse. He is wearing a white shirt with rolled-up sleeves, brown pants, and boots. He looks strong and experienced, like someone who has spent many years working on the farm. Instead of holding the horse, he seems to be talking to the man driving the tractor, who is coming toward the horse. His body language shows that he might be giving instructions or checking on the work being done. He looks calm but focused, ensuring everything on the farm runs smoothly. In the background, we see a blue tractor. It is big, shiny, and powerful, perfect for farm work. A hardworking man is driving the tractor, and behind him, there is an enormous pile of hay. It looks like the tractor can barely hold it all. Another man is on the tractor, helping to load or unload the hay. They are both focused on their work but seem happy and energetic. Let's look further back. There is a cozy little house with a straw roof. It looks so warm and inviting, like the perfect place to relax after a long day of work. Behind the house, we can see a tall church with a beautiful tower. It stands quietly among the green trees, adding a sense of peace and calm to the busy farm life. The whole farm is surrounded by lush green fields and big trees. The grass looks soft and fresh, and the trees are full of leaves, giving shade and beauty to the farm. The entire scene is so bright and cheerful that it feels like a painting brought to life. This picture shows us the beauty of life on a farm. It's a place where people work hard but also enjoy the simple pleasures of nature. From the playful children and the hardworking farmers to the friendly animals and the peaceful surroundings, everything in this picture reminds us to appreciate the small joys in life. Now it's your turn. Can you describe this picture in your own words? What do you think about life on a farm? Let me know.